There's anger in Sudan over reports that the chief prosecutor for the International Criminal Court is planning to ask judges to issue an arrest warrant for Sudanese President Omar al-Bashir. The report says the charges allege crimes against humanity by al-Bashir in Sudan's western Darfur region. The case against al-Bashir is scheduled to get underway on Monday, but Sudan's cabinet says it does not recognize the court and predictably will refuse any decision or memorandum it delivers. Also on Sunday, thousands of people in Sudan held rallies across the country to express their support for the president. Xu Jiaying with more.
These people are using their voices and feet to express their anger. Chanting anti-US slogans, thousands of protesters defended their president Omar Hassan al-Bashir from any potential charges by the International Criminal Court.
We are here representing the Sudanese people. We are stopping behind our president, supporting him. We are ready to die to protect him.
Rising emotions and feelings have escalated in Sudan after a senior European diplomat said last weekend that the ICC prosecutor was likely to seek the arrest of the incumbent Sudanese president on war crimes. And just a day ahead of the opening of the ICC case accusation, the mass rally reached a climax.
They want the peace to collapse by arresting the head of state. They want to spread mayhem and create a political vacuum to end the Abuja deal and the SOFA agreements and expel the UNAMID forces and international organizations. Let the court's prosecutor make his accusation by tomorrow. It will be a long time from the time he makes the accusation to the time the court passes a ruling, and from the time of the court ruling to the time the security court makes a decision. When that happens, we will take the necessary stand and measures.
Also on Sunday, the Sudanese cabinet held an emergency session presided by President al-Bashir. In a statement, the cabinet affirmed the government's ability to maintain the country's sovereignty and dignity.
The government has stressed Sudan's stance of not recognizing the International Criminal Court. It has refused any decision or order issued by the Attorney General of the International Criminal Court with this respect. It emphasized that the Darfur issue is an issue for the people and government of Sudan.
Top Sudanese officials say the country will seek support from its UN member allies to block the warrant for al-Bashir. And at the request of Sudan, the Arab League has been in consultation with Arab foreign ministers to hold an emergency meeting on the dispute. Xu Jiaying, CCTV.
Oh, meanwhile, a group that calls itself the Arab Lawyers Union is also slamming the ICC decision to charge al-Bashir, calling it a, quote, flagrant violation of international law, norms, and human rights.